Hi friends, Dr. Joe here. I hope you all are doing great and welcome to this video. The stock market is a scam. Yes, the stock market is the biggest scam you could have ever seen. 95% of traders lose their money. In fact, they lose their money in 90 days. Isn't it a big scam? Yes. You can say that the entire stock market is rigged. Yeah, it is absolutely rigged. There are option trading scams. There are intraday trading scams. There are trading tip scams. You get tips on what you have to buy and what you have to sell. Window dressing scams, balance sheet scams, wrong numbers scam, numbers rigged scams. Operators who run the stock, another big scam. Front running scam. You can name it. There are so many scams that are happening in the stock markets. Cryptocurrency scams, binary option scams, high brokerage scams. See, there are so many different kind of scams in the stock market. That's why I'm saying the stock market is a big scam. But the biggest of all these scams is the scam of not letting you learn. Yeah, because all these scamsters know the day you have the right knowledge, all these scams will never happen. Once you learn proper trading, you get the training how to trade. Once you understand proper investing, you get the training how to invest. What are the parameters that you have to see? How you should enter a stock. Once you learn all these things, all these scamsters will have to run away from the market. But until then, the stock market is a scam because they are successful in manipulating your minds, your knowledge, and your trading system. When you look at a stock, you see that the prices are going down and you see that the prices are going up. Very, very simple. But what the scamsters show you is only this little part, which you can see in this small circle over here. They will show you, oh my God, look at this stock. This is falling by 10%, sometimes 20%. You have a great opportunity. Use options, use binary trading and make money. Use intraday trading, make money. But the real traders know where they have to enter. They will enter somewhere between 100 and 500 rupees. And when the stock is at 7,000 rupees, they don't care if the stock is moving by 5%, 10%, because a 7,000 stock will become 6,700 or 6,300. Doesn't matter. But the scamsters will only show you that little piece of that chart and tell you, look at the stock, how it is moving. Go enter in it and make money. You'll make millions out of it. But the truth is, you need to understand how to trade. Enter at the right price and then wait. These scamsters will always try and create FOMO in your mind and tell you, don't miss this opportunity. Enter right now, exit right now, enter right now, because that is how they are going to make brokerage. They earn money out of brokerage. They earn money out of giving you wrong training. They earn money out of your losses. So their purpose is very, very clear. They will show you pictures of big, big yachts, how traders are making big money and buying yachts. They will show you pictures of villas. They will show you pictures of cars, very, very luxurious cars. They will show you pictures of Rolex watches which they are wearing, just to show you that look how much money we are creating from trading, options, cryptocurrency, and all these kind of trading equipments. They will tell you, use our tips, use our platform, use our robo trading and make money every day, every day. Keep making millions every single day. But that is not what actually trading is all about. They will never tell you about Warren Buffett, Peter Lynch, Vijay Kedia, Ramdev Agarwal, and many more such kind of millionaires who have made millions and millions trading and investing the right way in the stock markets. Look at what Warren Buffett has to say. It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. See how simple it is? Look at what Peter Lynch has to say. Know what you own and know why you own it. Such a simple logic to enter into a stock. Listen to what Vijay Kedia has to say. Invest like a bull, Sit like a bear and watch like an eagle. Mantra for long term investing. So simple. Look at what Ramdev Agarwal has to say. No one can get the bottom. Absolutely. Staggering your bets is the only way you can get some kind of a sensible entry into the market. Very, very simple. When you feel the markets are going to turn, do not invest all your money. Stagger your bet. Invest whatever you have decided to 20% of that decision. Wait and watch. If the price goes up, great. If the price continues down, invest another 20% of what you had decided, not your entire equity of what you had decided for that particular stock. And there you go. You stagger your investment, and somewhere the price will start going up because you have already checked the fundamentals before you look at the charts. See, each and every millionaire, they keep their trading strategy, their investing strategy so simple. They will never complicate things. And on the other hand, the scamsters will always create FOMO, create fear in your mind, complicate things, make trading look so complex, and tell you, see, we have created algorithmic trading, robo trading, use our platform, do intraday trading, do 5 minute trading, do 1 minute trading, do 1 second trading, and all those kind of things. But the real money lies in trading, investing, and then enjoying watching the markets grow. Yes. Because every single share has a company behind it. If the company is good, making its business profits, 101% the stock will go up. And that's the reason you should be entering into the stock markets and not for all these intraday trading and 5 minute and 1 minute and 1 second trading. So that's the reason, friends, I say the stock market is rigged. The stock market is a scam for all those people who do not have the right knowledge. And for all the people who have the right knowledge, they will make millions from this market, millions and millions, because sky is the limit to create wealth in the stock market. So now you have to decide whether you want to create wealth in the market or go for picking up those pennies on a daily basis and keep losing all your money in the stock markets. So friends, I hope that this video has made it extremely clear that the right kind of knowledge will take you in the right path in the stock markets. And the wrong kind of knowledge, you can clearly say that you are in a scammed market, in a rigged market. So it's up to you how you want to look at the markets. And I always say that the markets is very, very risky. So whenever you're trading and investing, scatter your equity. Do not invest all your funds into one stock or one type of stock. You should have a diversified portfolio. But that does not mean you should have hundreds of stocks. You can have 15, 20, 25 stocks, but it should be diversified into the best companies of those sectors. And risk management is very, very important. You should know when you have to exit a stock. Just do not stay in a stock, even if it is totally, totally falling. Because whenever a stock is going to fall or going to crash in the market, when I say a big crash, the fundamentals and the technicals will show you what's happening inside the company. And that's when you can take the right decision. So friends, that's all in this video. I hope that you have understood this concept, why stock market is a scam for all those people who follow tips, who follow all these short-term methods to make money. Friends, if you like the way I'm creating these videos, please like and share these videos. So like you, there might be many others who could be informed the right things about the stock markets so they do not get trapped into these kind of scams. And friends, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. Every time I see a new subscriber, I feel motivated to create more such videos so that you can learn from these videos and improve your trading and investing skills. And friends, if you really want to make it big in the stock markets, you have to practice. You have to spend time in the markets. You need to have the patience and persistence. That's the only way you can make it big in the stock markets. So all I say is keep learning, keep growing, keep getting better every single day. Thank you very much. Namaskar.